Na nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season and welcome to Where in Pampanga. It is no doubt that this pandemic has caused us a lot of concerns. Health issues, work issues, security issues, and a lot more. But on the other side, it has taught us a lot of good things. We became more conscious about cleanliness, about hygiene, and the food that we eat. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank Allmytea Iced Tea for providing us these refreshing drinks, at the same time healthy for our body. Now before we proceed, gawa muna tayo ng ice cold iced tea. In 3, 2, 1, roll video. Ooh, this is so refreshing. Allmytea Iced Tea Pampanga is a dealer of the best ready-to-drink Allmytea Iced Tea. It is a refreshing blend of naturally brewed iced tea, calamansi, and orange, and a twist of vanilla that is heavenly and delightful to your taste. It has two variants. Meron po tayong concentrated and meron din tayong ready to drink. Now for the sizes, ang concentrated natin 500 ml and a 2-liter bottle. Now for the ready to drink naman, meron tayong 500 ml, another 350 ml for the ready to drink. For the concentrated one, for every 6 parts of water, you can just add 1 part. Depende sa panlasa mo, pwede mo naman dagdagan yung concentrated hanggang masatisfy ang refreshment natin. Shelf life is usually up until 4 months. It is made from the finest freshly brewed tea and calamansi extract. Now for a refreshing experience, you can contact them and order. They will deliver these products for you within Angeles City for free. Now outside Angeles naman, of course, meron silang mga partner delivery services. So, beat the heat of the summer and have a refreshing taste of homemade iced tea at the comfort of your home. Wow, that is so refreshing. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? For a refreshing day or a refreshing experience, please contact Allmytea Iced Tea. And thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. Until our next video, thanks for watching. See ya!